perform this activity, you're going to lay on your side with your hands together. You're going to reach your hands forward so you feel your shoulder blades wrap around your upper back. Then you're going to roll backwards, thinking about moving your spine and the back portion of your ribs back as you allow your spine to twist segmentally. You'll feel your top hand moving back over your forearm of the hand that's down, and you'll let your spine roll from top to bottom as you go back, and then you'll return, reaching back forward until your hands are together. You'll inhale as you come back, moving first from the back of the ribs and spine, and then allowing movement from top to bottom of the spine to occur as the hand on top comes up the forearm, and you'll exhale as you reach back with the top hand until the hands are together. Inhale back, and exhale to return. Inhale back, and exhale to return.